Greetings! Welcome to Language Broker English lesson. Today, we start to learn vocabulary. And of course, we're going to start with how to say greetings in English. We will learn hellos, how are yous, and goodbyes. So let's get started. Hello. Hello. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Hello is typically used in a formal setting. If you want to be a little bit more informal, you can say hi, hi, or you can say hey, hey. If you're very close to the person who you are speaking to, such as family or close friends, you can say, "What's up? What's up?" In the mornings, we typically say, "Good morning." Good morning. In the afternoon, we may greet each other by saying, "Good afternoon." Good afternoon. In the evening, it's always typical to say, "Good evening." Good evening. To be polite in a formal and informal way, we will typically say, "Welcome." Welcome. Welcome. When meeting someone for the first time, it's always polite to say, "Nice to meet you." Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. When greeting someone that we haven't seen in a while, it's always nice to say, "How are you?" How are you? How are you? Or you can say, "How's it going?" How's it going? How's it going? If you haven't seen the person in a while, you can also say, "Good to see you." Good to see you. Good to see you. Or you can also say, "Long time no see." Long time no see. Long time no see. If you're ready to part ways, you can always say, "Take care." Take care. Take care. Typically, we always say to each other, "Have a good day." Have a good day. Have a good day. Or if you see the person often, you can just say, "See you later." See you later. See you later. Or you can say, "See you soon." See you soon. See you soon. Another good one, especially if this is true, you can say, "See you tomorrow." See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Good night is an expression you can use as a greeting or as a way of saying goodbye. So you can greet someone by saying good night, good night, good night. Or you can also part ways with someone by telling them good night, good night, good night. You could also say, have a good night. Have a good night. Have a good night. If you're not going to see them for a while, you can say, have a nice weekend. Have a nice weekend. Have a nice weekend. If it's time to go and you're parting ways, the formal way of saying bye is to say goodbye. 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 Informally, you can always say bye. Bye. Or sometimes, as I like to say, you can say bye-bye. 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 Speaking of bye-bye, that is all for today. You just learned many different ways of saying hellos, how are yous, and goodbyes. So practice, 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 because the more you practice, the better you become. Thank you for watching as always. Please click like, click subscribe, go to the next lesson. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.